This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Chateau Super C35 SK is a Super C RV. It is located in Tyler, Texas, 75706 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tyler. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Chateau Super C35 SK is built on a Ford F550 300 horsepower chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.